Hey Penguin, I'm back. I know I haven't made a video in such a long time, and I am doing a slime video because I've seen everyone doing slime videos, so I just expected that I would do one because, yeah, it's kind of decent. So I have 3 slimes right now. I'm gonna make hand sanitizer slime, which I watched some videos about it, and it seems like everyone's making them, so I'm just gonna try that. So, first slime I have is glittery slime. I don't know if you guys can see the glitter in it. There's some glitter in it. Those little dots are glitter. If you could see the little... Well, it doesn't really matter. You guys just know that it's glittery slime. Glittery slime. As you can see. Now, you can see those little dots, which are the glitter. And it's really, stretchy and nice. Next, we have our fluffy slime, which is very, very, very stretchy. See? You might see the borax in here is kind of not all disintegrated. But that's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. You just have to mix it. We'll need it. Your hands. Okay, let me put that away. And then I have my putty slime. I call it that because it's not like the other ones. It's like putty. It's hard. Kind of hard and not. Kind of sounds like plastic too. And it doesn't all stick together right away. Putty. And then we get a bigger piece. That was not a bigger piece. Let me try to get another bigger piece. Okay, there we go. You have to leave it, squish it together. Okay, so yeah, that's my putty slime. Let me put it back. Oops, I dropped some on my bed. Well, on my surface. So, for my next video, I'm going to make, hand sanitizer slime. And I wanted to know if I want to add, rubber bands into my slime. So, I'm going to do, a patch of one. So, should I do my fluffy slime, my glitter slime, or my putty slime? Leave down in the comments which I should do. Thanks for watching!